company born in the outdoors finally makes bags for the outdoors. And now, chasing that good light just got easier. We're Peak Design, and this is the Outdoor Line, a system of lightweight technical outdoor backpacks, slings, packing cubes, and camera cubes that together do things other outdoor bags can't. We've been making bags for a decade, and you've probably seen them in far-flung airports, dusty trails, scenic lookouts, and city streets. But eventually the pavement ends, and that's where the Outdoor Line begins. It starts with our most technically advanced bags ever, the internally framed 45-liter outdoor backpack for gear-heavy adventures, and the 25-liter for traveling fast and light. What sets them apart? First of all, comfort. No bulky padding or gimmicky suspensions on these. True comfort comes from fit. So we left our harness low profile and maximized its ability to conform and adjust, to work with your body, not against it. A single hyper-adjustable harness system fits a more inclusive range of body types than any bag we've ever tested. And in true outdoor bag fashion, it can be fine-tuned to your specific load or environment. Our shoulder straps were inspired by running vests. They not only distribute weight over a far greater surface area, they also let you keep your most important items right up front, like your camera. Built-in capture attachment points give you a more comfortable and stable camera carry experience than ever before, one on each shoulder strap and one on the belt. Want the weight off your shoulders? Balance it on your hips. Carrying less, the hip belt stows away. Next, there's the access, where you get the best of both worlds. Lightning fast access on top and total visibility on the back. We weren't happy with the drawstrings and roll tops out there, so we invented our own. It's called Ultra Cinch, and it allows one-handed opening, quick pull closure, and loads of expansion for more gear. On the back, a huge rear hatch lets you see and access everything, a brilliant feature for packing and unpacking, and access to your creative kit. Inside, there's space for your hydration, and a clever way to route your hose. Or put your hydration on the front and store a laptop or a tablet. Flex pockets on the sides and the front create a seemingly endless expanse of quick access storage. And then there's the external carry system. We call it Cord Hook, and these backpacks take it to the next level. Cinch straps, elastic gear loops, and a network of cleverly concealed attachment points turn your backpack's shell into a blank canvas for carrying more and organizing it better. Sometimes it's about moving fast with just the essentials. And that's why we designed the Outdoor Sling. A 2-liter for the minimalist and a 7-liter full of features. Both can be worn crossbody or on the waist. Stabilize the larger bag when you're really trucking. Are you the be prepared type? The larger sling might be for you. Gear loops let you carry more. Rear panel stowage ensures you never have dangling straps or loose ends. Carrying a camera? Add an extra small camera cube and create the perfect minimalist camera bag. Inside, stretch pockets sequester the small stuff, a few on the 2-liter and more on the 7-liter. Outside, a padded drop pocket with a magnetic clasp protects your phone or other essentials. Think of the Outdoor Sling as a wing bag for you and for the outdoor backpack. Both slings can shed their straps and convert to a chest-mounted pouch, keeping gear or your camera right up front. But the backpacks and slings, those are just the start. Packing tools give you an organizational system. No two adventures are the same, and your bag should be able to handle it all. With Peak Design packing tools, it can. Ultralight packing cubes create brilliant modular organization inside and out. Clothes, gear, food, 3 convenient sizes, 4 brilliant colors, and 2 rugged materials. One for things that need to stay dry, and one for things that need to dry out. Pop on a cord hook carry strap and your packing cube becomes a sling. And if you're carrying a camera, you'd better believe we got you covered. Our bags were designed to work seamlessly with Peak Design camera cubes to become the most capable line of outdoor camera bags on the planet. 5 sizes to support any kit, from a drone or basic mirrorless kit all the way up to a full-blown professional setup. Proprietary flex fold dividers, insulated weatherproof construction. Tuck-away lids give you instant access so you'll never miss a shot. Whether you're a professional outdoor photographer, a casual shooter, or you don't even carry a camera at all, this system can be tailored to your needs and grow with you in the future. The outdoor line is a culmination of everything we've learned in a decade of bag development. No off-the-shelf hardware in these bags. Every touch point custom developed, from adjusters to buckles to connection points. Every material lightweight and high performance. Weatherproof TerraShell ripstop nylon is PU coated, abrasion resistant, PFAS free, and 100% recycled. When Mother Nature's at her worst, an optional seam-taped rainfly gets you through it unscathed. Quick-drying perforated foam is breathable and provides comfort without extra bulk. Even the zippers are Peak Design exclusive. Fastened with ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene thread, Peak Design Ultra Zips are weatherproof and substantially more abrasion resistant for decades of heavy use. Ultra Thread can also be found in our gear loops, external carry straps, and the Ultra Cinch backpack closure. And like every Peak Design product, every outdoor bag and packing tool is guaranteed for life. We're Peak Design, and for 14 years the outdoors has been our playground. It's also been our laboratory. It's where we've had our best ideas, made our favorite memories, and reconnected as a team and as friends.
3, 2, 1, jump!
We've lobbied Congress to protect it, pushed our bodies to experience it, and obsessed over products to document it. For a company that was thought up on the road, named after the mountains, and proven in wild environments the world over, it's high time for some bags made specifically to get outside. Thanks for your support, and see you out there.